respected judges, teachers, worthy opponents, and my dear audience. The moment when we start to silence our voice, we do not prove that that voice is wrong. The only moment that we fail that voice. Today I stand before you against the motion that freedom of speech should be limited. We live in a world where societies and nations coincide in a single planet. We share the sun, we share the same ocean. That's why it's an undeniable fact that there's gonna be quarrels, there's going to be disagreements, and we should learn that people have different opinions. Freedom of speech is not only a right to speak, it's a right to question people, to interrogate and criticize people, to innovate and replace older ideas with better ones, with sustainable ones. So that's why I would like to ask you all a question. If speaking the truth becomes a crime, then what becomes of justice? Freedom of speech is something that we all must know of. Great people know the importance of freedom of speech because they know their thoughts have an importance in the world. There are 8 billion people around the world, but their thoughts also have an importance. History speaks for itself. Galileo Galilei, he was an exceptional scientist back in his day. But people used to think that the earth was at the center of the universe and the sun used to revolve around it. But being the great scientist that he was, he researched, he invented the telescope and scientifically and factually proved that it was the exact opposite. What people should have done was to cherish Galileo, but instead he got a lifetime sentence of house arrest. Galileo was remembered though, not the one that prosecuted Galileo, because he knew that people who have different thoughts, who have thoughts that speak out for themselves, write history, not those who punish it. Now let's exit from history, let's talk about today. The Chinese government. It is known for placing surveillance cameras all over the country. It is known for silencing those who criticize the government. A law that everyone has a right to speak, freedom of speech. It is protected completely and people there can criticize the government, can go out on the streets and criticize almost every single person and bodies there, and still people do not think negatively about it but improve. The thing that the United States of America knows and what China doesn't know is that freedom of speech does not make society unstable, but it makes society creative and innovative. It does not make society bad, but it makes society, it brings forward society towards progress. It reminds me of a quote said by Voltaire. I completely disapprove of what you say, my friend, but I will fight till death for your right to say it. That's why we must remember that words are never impure. The people who say those words, who misuse those words, are impure. That's why the problem is not in freedom of speech, but us, the people who misuse it. We must use freedom of speech completely. That's why, before concluding, I would like to say that bad ideas never disappear, because bad ideas never disappear due to bans, but they only disappear when competitive ideas replace them. So don't worry, pineapple on pizza can go together. Of course, someone might disagree with it, so let's agree to disagree. Thank you.